Studying psychology in Kriya has been really fun and really interesting, and it's also been a lot because we're made to do a lot more than just learn basic theories and basic concepts. And I like that the way the curriculum is designed in Kriya also pushes us to critically think about the discipline, about where the discipline came from, about why these theories have been developed the way they have, and what goes into developing them the way they are. So it provides a more holistic approach to the discipline.
I'm minoring in economics and doing a lot of physics courses. And together with physics and computer science and economics and computer science, there are some great combinations. And it also allows me to apply one thing from here into there. Where, for example, we learned about different number systems and vector spaces in physics, and I use that same concept to help in machine learning in computer science, and vice versa in many places.
Along with my physics major, I'm also pursuing a literature minor. And one example, I took a literature course last year where I had to learn about a lot of science fiction. And in my physics, we had a physics festival, and there I got to do an interdisciplinary seminar on science fiction and physical discoveries and inventions.
Data science at Kriya has allowed me to explore aspects such as research, which interest me, stuff in the new generation like generative AI. I am very passionate about understanding and applying generative AI in tasks that interest me. And data science at Kriya has allowed me to explore such opportunities and given me the freedom to make mistakes and learn.
Kriya also offers many electives which are challenging. I think typically they are offered in the graduate level, but here they are offered to us so that we can experience it much earlier. And I think that will give us an upper hand going into our further career.
Capstone made me realize how two very distinct systems in your body can be so intricately connected, and it piqued my interest in neuroscience more than ever, and this led me to believe that I still want to pursue research in my master's and PhD, potentially in neuroscience.